So today in the shop, we have the 1972 Blazer. This customer had called us to come take a look at some gapping, some fender damage, and just some overall bodywork that needed done. He also wanted to update the color, wanting to take it to sunset orange, and just basically take this to a really nice cruiser for him and his family.
You'll hear it spark burn. All that fabrication. Welcome to Sparkburn Hot Rods YouTube channel.
I'm taking the bumper off so that way I can get the grill out, and we'll take the hood off and the fenders off and just get the whole front clip off so we can start getting the body work and paint and all that good stuff. Holy mother of God. I see what it is.
What is it?
One issue. They welded this in and welded in the cross member, and there's a big fucking...
Well, it probably broke the frame at one time because these things are notorious for breaking the frame with the steering mounts.
It's only on the bottom though, that's what's weird.
Well, these things with big tires, what it do is it break the frame where the steering block's mounted. So I went online and I got on the side and everything, and I got.
Because you can't sell. This rivets down to the bracket, and it runs all the way down this side, and you can't get to the middle bolts until you get the grill on.
That's not a nice hood. I think that's a factory hood. He can sell that, but just go put it on there. Oh God, it's got hail damage. Oh, lots of hail damage.
And lots of goobers.
Yeah. Did you paint that? Pulling this off. Whoa. Pulling this off. I'm gonna flip that back around, see if that helps. Not this. Nope, it won't work. Just leave it like that. Okay, so Jeff is taking the cab off. We're gonna take the top off, put it somewhere else for the time being, but gonna take the doors off, take the cab off the frame, bedline the bottom, clean and bedline the bottom of it, bedline the inside of the floor of the cab. Taking that off, and then we're not taking it all the way down, so we're just gonna clean it really, really good and pour 15 the frame. And then Jeff's gonna practice his paint work. He's going to paint the firewall sunset pearl after the bed liner's done, so he gets to do that. He gets to do a little practice work. Yeah. So I'll have to work with him on that, so we'll get him we'll get them involved in it.
Same for the other side. And then we'll run one across here. Keep it from folding in like a taco shell.
Just the ones going up to the top of the vent. This one.
That one?
Yeah.
So
just a vent. We'll have to be taken up. Because the other ones will be going down the frame rail.
So take this one off here from this little U, because I think it's just connecting that one to that.
Is it? Okay. Well then.
I don't think so.
It's just this one then.
That one?
I think that one goes up to the vent, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think that's what I'm taking off. I have that fucking...
Yeah, I think that's the one that goes.
I have the screw.
Should be this up here, I believe.
So the original plan was we were gonna pour 15 this frame and like just go over and paint over it, but we got about halfway through, customer showed up and he changed his mind, wanted us to sandblast it and like strip it down, sandblast it and paint it. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, now time to finish it out with the rim. Yeah. Perfect. I can get the rest of it from here. This morning I am taking everything off the firewall and then I'm going to prep it and see about getting it painted this morning before I go to lunch. So that way if the bushings show up at sometime around lunchtime, maybe we can get the cap set back on the frame today. So we're looking for any light spots we got in the paint, make sure we're getting good even coatage, and just assembling the firewall and any other little odds and ends while waiting on more parts to come in. Waiting on bushing so we can set this back on the frame.